So, welcome to this Virgin Galactic party. 10%. And I know, you're asking, why is that? And we have no news. And that's just how the stock market works in 2020. Guys, welcome to this video. Just a quick update for all the fans and subscribers out there. First, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe if you're new here. And obviously ring the bell. Due to my copyright strike, I am not able as of now to live stream, unfortunately, but I will make this additional videos then, so it's, not that bad. You will get your content, you will get your daily doses of space. And I know what people are asking now, what is going on? I mean, why there's so much money in the game when there's no news? And you know what I'm saying to that? Well, you don't ask, you just take the bag. Yeah, 10% almost, guys. Almost 10%. And my most intelligent answer to people questioning this is the following, guys. If a stock, right, just with not so bad news. I mean, the test flight was something that we have to get used to, right? That's technology and something can go wrong, but nothing fatal happening. So obviously now the question is when we get the announcement of the next flight window, because this will determine when we are seeing, just a huge demand for space stock. So we went down from about Friday, which was 34, to the lowest yesterday, 24. And people were asking me, especially my close friends. I unfortunately couldn't buy the dip yet because I'm buying every end of the month. So I was not lucky yet enough to pick up some for 24. But I have other great investment that's paying out otherwise. And I'm just so happy that most of you guys will have this opportunity to just load more because we see what is the potential and we're not getting even started. Okay, this is number one. Second, congratulations to all the people that were in the stock for now months since we talked about the very first time. We picked up the stock for $14, for $17, $15. So I'm super excited that slowly it pays off. And when a stock loses in just a matter of days 30%, and there's nothing wrong with the fundamental story behind the company, which it isn't, then I would love this kind of movements. So I'm happy for those that picked up some at 24 or a little bit higher here and got a couple of percentage points gain already. There was really no news, right? I mean, Virgin Galactic Twitter, where we usually see all the news, didn't really said anything. I mean, this is old news. This is something that they cursed around since the 14th of December, but nothing as of yesterday or today that we are gaining that much, 10%. I mean, that's just adding like $500 million to the valuation of Virgin Galactic, which has a market cap of around 625. While this is still too less, guys, you can find out in my latest YouTube video. I don't know if you have seen it, but if you are going on my main channel, then you see here Virgin Galactic 2021 best true value video. Make sure to check that out if you haven't already, where I'm explaining the reasoning why the stock should be much more worth about $50. Whoops, spoiler. So and other investments that we are currently in obviously, Tesla waiting for their development over the next couple of days with the inclusion in the S&P 500, and Airbnb. I'm hoping in the one or the other direction, but it should go in one or the other direction, hopefully. So I'm super curious how it will develop over the next couple of days. Yeah, and you can here subscribe, and also you can get a membership by pressing the join button, and then you can choose between the wolf pack, the real wolf, and the diamond. The real wolf will get you into my Discord channel, and once you joined, you just can go here to community tab, and then you will see the link over there. So yeah, I think this is just a classic back and forth after 30% sales that the stock bounced a little bit back, and then people are saying, wow, 5% up or 3% up, I need to get back in. So you see this quite significant things, movements, and this is normal for growth stocks, obviously, on the stock market. Other than that, let us also have a quick look into other things here. I have seen Tesla selling off a little bit. So what is actually putting a little bit hope into the market is the stimulus bill that was talked about like thousands of times, and still couldn't be agreed on, but finally they did. So we have obviously a little bit of push because of that. On the other side, the market environment gets a little bit hot. But I made another video. Let me show you this video as well, because I just want to make sure that you catch up on all the content that I'm doing. Here, this video is very important. Worst YouTube videos 2021 stock market crash. Actually, I think there's no crash in 2021 because of a very specific thing that always happens during crashes. It was in the dot-com bubble, it was in the correction in 2018, it was in the financial crisis. So interest rates, guys, are one of the most important part of our economies, and as soon as those interest rates gets not high, I think that we have still a lot of way to go, actually. Okay, so this is my estimations. Make sure to check out this video and be a little bit educated there as well. And if you like all of that, then subscribe and follow me on Instagram as well, Wolf of Dubai Danny. You can follow me there, what I'm doing every single day. I think it's cool to see how Dubai is. I think it's cool to be on the forefront on every announcement that I'm doing on YouTube, obviously, and social media, so you can stay tuned there as well. Now the question is what is important for Virgin Galactic will be definitely the next announcement, but I don't think that we will see an announcement just before. Maybe we will get the announcement before Christmas, but we will not get a new flight before Christmas on New Year's Eve. This is my estimation. I think we will going a little bit towards January or February, because we have to go with the FAA. We need to speak with the NASA. We need to prepare the spaceship. We need to install the new rocket engine. We make sure that this mistake or this problem, the technical issue, will not come back in the next couple of flights. So all of this data need to be obviously first get back to the engineers. The engineers have to have a look, test maybe some things, right, and build it then and make it ready for the next test flight. I'm just seeing that I need to put the studio light obviously green, guys, because we are absolutely green today in one of our favorite stocks, Virgin Galactic. Let me know in the comments below if you are owner or fan. The last time I spoke about that, it was more investors than fans. But I think, the funny part about that is sometimes you are becoming a fan, but at first you're becoming an investor, and then you're becoming a fan because you are so excited. It's your investment and you want that the company is doing great, and you inform yourself. This is the beauty about stock market, that you get very excited. Obviously you need to always look into those fundamental stories. Did they change? Did something went different with this company when I first put my money into my first thesis? Revisit your thesis, revisit the company owners entrepreneurs and their mission and their vision and their execution. And then you should be, if you're finding this 10x stocks, then you can be quite, become quite wealthy. And this is all about here on this channel. So I'm super excited that we seem to bounce back and trying again to go for the other direction. From the chart perspective, you can see here that we exited this channel here, which was bad. We also exited this first $25.80 resistance. That's why I think the stock went even further down, and then we bounced back through the mid of the two resistant lines. So it's important for the stock now, just from a technical standpoint, guys, to hold over this resistance and hopefully go back to the channel so we can see higher levels when we finally have a date and other possible catalysts for this company and stock. So thank you very much for tuning in. Subscribe, like, follow me on Instagram, and I see you obviously tomorrow with fresh content. Thank you very much for watching, and stay healthy.